Well, more progress. Today's July 11th, 2021, and we got the footers going in. Let's take a close-up. As you can see, the base material's down. Coming along. Just a view from the street. Okay, with the labor shortage, I had to resort to these guys. My grandson and granddaughter. Okay, a little over here, a little over there. Okay, faster, faster. That's it, a little there. Okay, I'll tell you, the laborers these days. Okay, got.
I want to redo them. Their car got in the way. It might be hard to hear because the car that drove up.
You're a natural. Look up. Look up, Gavin. There's a recruit that I have for building my house. So if it's wrong, I'm going to blame these two. Dang, these weren't in tight enough. Good call. Good. Well, now for a little aerial photos. We had a drone in the air, of course, and that's me. Here I am in my kitchen, looking out to the front porch, stepping in the front porch right now. See my garage there, got a tandem garage. Being real nice for a workshop. Bump out there from my master bedroom. That's a view from my place out to the northeast. New housing development going in across the street there too. This all was once the GM proving grounds in East Mesa, Arizona. GM purchased something like 5,500 acres of land out here for their proving grounds. They first came out here in 1953, sold it all off in 2009 and moved out to Yuma, Arizona. So that's where they tested a lot of their hot weather, their cars for hot weather effects. So maybe with a little bit of luck, when I landscape my backyard, I'll find a Corvette buried there. This is the layout of my house, of course. Master bedroom. A back patio. And the garage. Like I said, it's a tandem garage. And this will be my workshop. You can see the house on my left there doesn't have that bump out in the garage. It doesn't have the extended tandem portion. Take a run up my street here. For too long, these will all be done. People will be living in them. There are a lot of green belts around. Doesn't seem like that when you're in the air with seeing all these red roofs, but there are. Well, there you are. I'll see you on my next update. Thanks for watching.